No, my lord, we're together. I'm simply saying, I'm just registering the point.
Yes.
You see, in this realm, my lord, my work is much easier. All that, my burden is lighter in the following way, my lord. Now, all of a sudden, all I have to convince your lordship is that those are prima facie rights open to some doubt.
Yes.
Whereas in the previous section, I had to show your lordship that those were actual rights.
Yes.
So now it's even easier. It's plain sailing, because your lordship could say, well, I'm not sure if the right to participate, but you know, it's open to some doubt. But your lordship would still have to grant the interim relief. Couple that much lighter burden, my lord, with everything that Mr. Ngalwana has said about, for example, the impossibility of removing a judge who would be unconstitutionally appointed. All sorts of things, my lord, and I don't want to be alarmist. The kind of litigation that could come from the people who lose, who are not appointed next week.
Yes.
Because they can say, oh, well, this thing was improperly constituted, and also, your lordship gets the point. There can be a whole lot of things. And that's why we said in our letter, please, JSC, postpone for a short period to avoid a litany of possible litigation. The mind can go as far as it can as to what kind of chaos could happen. And that's what we call if the constitutional crisis that has been precipitated is allowed to continue.
Yeah.
So what's wrong with that, my lord? What is wrong with saying, please postpone for a month or two, put everyone on terms, and then come back and report to the court, so that all of these things, so that Dr. Hlophe's right to participate is protected, my lord. His Section 19 right. That's a fallacy, my lord. What we're here about, as I said at the beginning, is not to assail that court. What we're here about is to assail the JSC's decision. The exclusion of Dr. Hlophe from the meeting next week is not as a result of that court order at this stage directly. It is as a result of the decision of the JSC unreasonably and irrationally not to accede to the postponement. That's a crucial point, my lord.